What's inside this box? Okay, I already cut off the tapes, so let's see. Alright, so this is one. And this is two. Yeah, it's really nice. Very durable. Okay, let's see. These are the roller tips. Yeah, okay. There you go. And there was this. I think this is like a knee pad or something. So when you're rolling, you can just kneel on them for your knees. They got two. Wow. It's not bad. This is really thoughtful too. So in just a second, I'm going to use it and then we can all see how useful this thing could be since we are under lockdown. Alright, so, well, that's it. So this is what we have in the box for about $9. Yep. So there it is. Okay, so let's try this and see. Let's just try it. Alright, so I'm going to try it and then we see how it works. So right? This is it. Very simple, easy to use. Alright, there it is. Okay, just hold them in this direction. You roll it front and back, forward and back. You can open, you can keep it closed in this direction. Both work perfectly for your chest and your abs. Okay, so let's try this out, okay? Okay, and just open up. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay. 9. Or you can just close it and open it like that. Okay. So your arms straight, perpendicular to your shoulders. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Or in this direction for your chest. Okay, right in the middle. Open. Okay. So for the. All right, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. Yeah, you can also keep them closed, or you can just use one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. But let me try it in this direction so you can see how I do the rolling. Okay, so you 7, 10. There. Okay. All for the abs. Straight. So you squeeze, okay? Squeeze when you're coming back. Don't release it. Squeeze hard. All right. You can just use it to do your push-ups. Simple. Plug them in. Okay. And all right. So 1. You can just like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh. Okay. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. All right, and this brings you to the end of another section with Time with Ike workout. So if you like what you see, if you like what I'm doing here on this channel, subscribe, share it, tell your friends, like it, and comment. Thanks for watching. This is Time with Ike. See you in the next video. Adios.